For 1967, Ford Galaxie 500 hit the sweet spot in Ford's full-size lineup. Out of more than 403,000 Galaxie 500s built, nearly half of all full-size Fords that year, the convertible was rare, just over 19,000 produced. Under the hood, this one packs a 390 cubic inch V8 with 10.5 to 1 compression, a 4-barrel carb, and 320 horsepower. Backed by a top-loader 4-speed and optional limited-slip differential, it delivers true muscle car performance, without the flashy muscle car image. Inside, it defies expectations. A simple bench seat and AM 8-track radio keep things understated, while the 4-speed shifter rising from the floor hints at something far more serious. The 67 Galaxie 500 balanced comfort and power at a time when buyers wanted both. Its smooth ride, wide stance, and spacious cabin set the tone for future full-size American cars. Clean lines, stacked headlights, and subtle chrome define the exterior. Colors like candy apple red and Wimbledon white turned heads, while body styles ranged from sedans to hardtops to convertibles. In 1967, the Galaxie 500 proved you didn't have to choose between luxury and performance. You could have both.